Hey guys, so welcome 2023, goodbye 2022, and I am just here to say hi to you guys. How are you going? Hope you're doing fine. Hope you're well and happy and everything else. So, I just want to say hi to all those guys who helped me 2022 and to all those guys who's willing to help me on 2023. Thank you so much for those. I'm thankful of everyone I know, my friends and everyone else. So in saying that, I just want to say I hope you guys have a good year ahead, and yeah, that's it. So I just grabbed this camera right now because I just realized that I'm going to film something for the year to start the year right. Planning a lot of things for this year. I'm planning to do more videos. I've said it before, but this thing I'm so thrilled to do it. I'll be doing a lot of vlog videos, the usual videos that you're seeing. I'll be doing like behind the scenes videos of me filming and doing those. So I do photography. If you're new in the channel, I do photography for weddings. I do videography also. I'm starting to do solo videography for a studio. So we might see some behind the scenes videos for that. But other than that, yes. So want you guys to see what's going on with everything. And other than that, what else? Let me see. I'll be uploading a lot of backlog videos. Oh no, not backlogs, like throwback videos, because those are the videos I've filmed before, which some of them are not usable, some of them are cringy, but I'll still be putting up a lot of them. They're all in my drive, heavily backlogged. I even have travel videos to show to you guys. Like we have traveled to Perth way back. The quality of the video is not that good, and the sequencing is not that good, but it had some good points in that video, so I'll be uploading that one and hope you guys enjoy it. If you have anything in mind, if you have anything that you want to be in this channel, I'll try my best. You can just send me a message or put a comment down below. But other than that, let's enjoy 2023. Yeah. Also, I want to thank 2022 for all the help and all the upgrades that I got from them and from that year. And also, I want to thank 2022 for bringing up the Offspring here in Australia. I'm wearing the Offspring merch because I love them, but I'm not sponsored or anything. I just love the band. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So I'm looking forward to going through 2023 without the problem, without the anxiety of the years past, COVID pandemic and everything else, and hope everything's going to be running smoothly. Other than that, yeah, let the bad times roll, not good times roll. See you around, guys.